In the early 1990s, Bradford Marine secured 47 acres within the tax and duty-free zone of Grand Bahama. One key goal: provide service to the robust fleet of commercial vessels that tie the 700-plus island nation together. Located 60 miles from the Florida coast on one of the largest man-made harbors in the world, Bradford Marine sits close to nearly all shipping routes in the Western Hemisphere. 1,200 feet of linear alongside deepwater dockage, zero height restrictions, ISPS compliant, 24-hour security, and a long-lasting partnership with the Grand Bahama Shipyard make Bradford Marine Bahamas a unique commercial resource in the region. Basra, mail boats, tugs, commercial fishing vessels, coastal freighters, and cruise ships all utilize the almost unlimited capabilities of the facility. Commercial vessels come to Bradford to fulfill everything from simple maintenance needs to emergency repairs. The tax-free region and proximity to Grand Bahama International Airport allows for quick and seamless import of parts to the yard. Dedicated project managers lead a team of 60 experienced, local, certified men and women throughout the entire process. Should the vessel need a haul out for servicing, a combination of the 150-ton travel lift, 1,200-ton dry dock, or the 27,000-ton Grand Bahama Shipyard dry dock guarantees getting the job done. The yard's ADS and AWS certifications, paired with class-approved steel and aluminum plate and frame renewal abilities, enable repairs that meet any classification society's requirement. Provisioning to blasting and coating, electrical, plumbing, and piping repair. Bradford Marine Bahamas Shipyard has the ability to haul out and service commercial vessels of any size, offering industry-leading services and support in a friendly and professional environment. Bring it to the best. Bring it to Bradford.